Here is the correct way to approach a girl in a bar or club. First,
you're broke! You're fucking poor!
Let's break down the term trend, following into its components. The first part is trend. Every trader needs a trend to make money. If you think about it, no matter what the technique, if there is not a trend after you buy, then you will not be able to sell at higher prices. You will take a loss on the trade. There must be a trend up after you buy, in order to sell at higher prices. Conversely, if you sell first, then there must be a subsequent trend down for you to buy back at lower prices. Let your profits run, cut your losses short. This old trader's axiom describes trend following perfectly. Once in a trend, the trader sits back and enjoys the ride, as long as the trend keeps going in the trader's direction. This is called letting profits run.